Question number 1. In Paramecium, the oral group leads ventrally and posteriorly as a tubular structure called. Options are A. Blepharoplast, B. Water tube, C. Vestibule, D. Radial land. The correct answer is option C. Vestibule. In Paramecium, the oral group leads ventrally and posteriorly into a tubular structure called the vestibule, which eventually narrows down into the cytopharynx, where food particles are directed into the food vacuoles. Question number 2. During conjugation in Paramecium, which of the following is not degenerate? Options are A. Macronucleus, B. Macronucleus, C. Cytophytes, D. Oral group. The correct answer is option B. Micronucleus. During conjugation in Paramecium, the macronucleus degenerates while the micronucleus undergoes meiosis and is essential for the exchange of genetic material. The cytoplasm and oral group are structural components that are not involved in nuclear processes of conjugation and therefore do not degenerate. Question number 3. The generic name of Paramecium cordatum was given by. Options are A. Rosenhoff, B. John Hill, C. Ford, D. Charles Leveron. The correct answer is option B. John Hill. John Hill, a British naturalist, is credited with giving the generic name Paramecium to the organism Paramecium cordatum in the 18th century. Question number 4. Which of the following shows nuclear dimorphism? Options are A. Plasmodium, B. Paramecium, C. Hydra, D. Amoeba. The correct answer is option B. Paramecium. Paramecium exhibits nuclear dimorphism having two types of nuclei, a large macronucleus which controls non-reproductive cell functions and a small micronucleus involved in reproductive process. Question number 5. The main function of contractile vacuole in Paramecium is. Options are A. Locomotion, B. Water storage, C. Osmoregulation, D. Circulation. The correct answer is option C. Osmoregulation. The contractile vacuole in Paramecium is primarily responsible for osmoregulation, which involves expelling excess water from the cell to maintain osmotic balance. Question number 6. How many daughter Paramecium are formed from conjugation in Paramecium? Options are A. 6, B. 4, C. 8, D. 2. The correct answer is option C. 8. During conjugation in Paramecium, two parent cells each undergo two rounds of division after exchanging genetic material, leading to the formation of total of 8 daughter Paramecium. Question number 7. Defense action of Paramecium is known by options are A. Cilia, B. Trichosis, C. Nematocysts, D. Trochophores. The correct answer is option B. Trichocyst. Trichocysts are specialized organelles in Paramecium that can be ejected from the cell surface in response to threats, providing a defense mechanism against predator. Question number 8. Which of the following is true about conjugation in Paramecium? Options are A. Macronucleus forms micronucleus. B. Crossing of macronuclei takes place. C. Macronucleus breaks and gets transferred. D. Micronucleus gives rise to male and female portion. The correct answer is option D. Micronucleus gives rise to male and female portion. Micronucleus gives rise to male and female portion during conjugation. Question number 9. Which organism exhibits nuclear dimorphism? Options are A. Amoeba, B. Euglena, C. Plasmodium, D. Paramecium. The correct answer is option D. Paramecium. Paramecium exhibits nuclear dimorphism, meaning two types of nuclei, a macronucleus which control everyday functions and a micronucleus which is involved in reproductive process. Question number 10. The process of reconstitution of macronucleus in Paramecium without any change in micronucleus is called. Options are A. Cytogamy, B. Hemixis, C. Endomixis, D. Autogamy. The correct answer is option B. Hemixis. Hemixis is the process in Paramecium where macronucleus is reconstituted or reorganized without any change in micronucleus. This process doesn't involve nuclear fusion or sexual reproduction. Question number 11. Pellicle is the covering of. Options are A. Paramecium, B. Diatoms, C. Dinoflagellates, D. Amoeba. The correct answer is option A. Paramecium. The pellicle in Paramecium is a tough, flexible layer that helps maintain the cell shape and provides protection. Question number 12. Paramecium moves by. Options are A. Cilia, B. Flagella, C. Pseudopodia, D. No one. The correct answer is option A. Cilia. Cilia are tiny hair-like structures that cover the surface of Paramecium. By beating in coordinated waves, the cilia allow the Paramecium to move through its aquatic environment.